How to fix flashlight not working. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Launch the settings application on your device. Firstly tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS as Apple always fixes their issue with new software update. Now go back and tap on Screen Time. You will see the option for content and privacy restrictions. Tap on that and then toggle off the button for content and privacy restrictions. Sometimes content and privacy restrictions might cause this issue. Check if the flashlight is fixed or not. If it is still not fixed, slide down from the right side of your screen. You will be led to the control center now. Tap hold on the flashlight option and just swipe up and down continuously and see if it works. Lastly, launch the settings application again and now tap on General and scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now. And by now, your flashlight should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.